Welcome back to our Spring Boot series. Today, we're exploring the various Spring resource management strategies, focusing on a key question about reading properties files. Here's our question. Which Spring resource management strategy is most appropriate for an application that needs to read properties files located in various directories? First up is ResourceLoader. ResourceLoader is an interface provided by Spring for loading resources from various locations. It supports multiple types of resources, such as ClassPath resources, FileSystem resources, and URL resources. This flexibility allows you to load resource from almost anywhere within your application. It's like having a universal key that can open many different doors, making it highly versatile for different resource loading scenarios. Next, we have PropertyPlaceholderConfigurer. This is a legacy Bean factory post-processor that resolves placeholders within Bean definitions by replacing them with corresponding values from a properties file. It is particularly useful for externalizing configuration and allows for a flexible approach to managing property values, especially when you have multiple environment-specific properties files. However, it's worth noting that PropertyPlaceholderConfigurer has been replaced by the more modern PropertySourcePlaceholderConfigurer in recent Spring versions. Moving on to ClassPathResource. This class is used to load resources from the class path. If your properties files are included within your application's jar file or are otherwise accessible via the class path, ClassPathResource is an ideal choice. It's like having your resources packed neatly within your suitcase, ready to be accessed anytime. However, it's less effective when dealing with files located outside the class path. Finally, we have FileSystemResource. This resource strategy is designed for accessing files from the file system. It is perfect for situations where your properties files are located in various directories outside the class path. Using FileSystemResource, you can easily specify the path to your files, making it a practical choice for external configuration files. Think of it as having the ability to access documents spread across different folders on your computer. Given the requirement to read properties files located in various directories, FileSystemResource stands out as the most appropriate strategy. It provides the necessary flexibility to access files from different parts of your file system, ensuring that your application's configuration is easily manageable. To recap, understanding the right resource management strategy in Spring is key to efficiently handling your application's configuration. In this case, FileSystemResource is the best option for reading properties files from multiple directories. Stay tuned for more insights and tutorials in our Spring Boot series. Happy coding!